So dear friends, how to remember the chemical structure of your compound? So here I will give you 3 steps for remembering the chemical structures effectively. If you follow this method or steps, definitely you will be able to remember chemical structures very effectively and in very small efforts. So first step is the classifications. You have to write down the classification in this manner, which I have given below. So you have to write down the classification with the name of heterocyclic ring present in their structures. Suppose this is the example of classification of antiseptic and disinfectant. You have to write down the classification as per their chemical classes. Along with, you have to make a special mark on the name of drug which is given in your syllabus. For example, chlorocasol. It is having the asterisk mark and it is grouped under a phenol. Second drug is proflavin. It is grouped under dyes. And then you have to mention the which heterocyclic ring present in their structure. For example, proflavin contain acridine heterocyclic ring present in their structures. Here is no need to write down the phenol because already it contains a group named phenol. So chlorocresol having a phenolic groups present in their structures and proflavin having the acridine heterocyclic ring in their structure. So if you follow this, so immediately you will come to know that the proflavin is the drugs having which heterocyclic ring? Acridine ring. Then you have to follow the second step, that is you have to remember the structure of heterocyclic ring. So if you know the structure of heterocyclic ring, then you have to draw first the heterocyclic ring structures and then draw the structure of drugs in front of them. So on one page you have to draw the structure of acridine and a proflavin, means the heterocyclic rings and the drug structure, and then try to observe it. Just observe it, don't try to remember it. Just observe the structure of acridine and observe the structure of proflavin. And third and last step is the structure, means now in this phase or in these steps you are going to remember the chemical structure of your drugs. How to do that? So dear friends, now you know the structure of heterocyclic ring and you have drawn the structure of proflavin, that is the drugs, and then try to point out the differences between these two structures, means what are the different additional groups are added on the structure of acridine, so it will transform or it will make a structure of proflavin. Just try to observe it and try to remember what are the different changes or the additional groups which are present on heterocyclic ring, so it will become a structure of proflavin. If you observe these two structures simultaneously, then you will find out there is two additional groups which are attached to the structure of acridine. So these are the two groups, that is two amino groups attached on the structure of acridine at third and sixth position, remaining all the structure is same. So this is how you can able to remember the structures. So just you have to follow these steps to remembering the structures. First step is you have to first write down the classifications along with the name of heterocyclic ring or some of the functional groups, some of the important groups present in the structure of drug. Then draw the structure of heterocyclic rings and their structure, that is structure of drug, and then observe the structures. Try to point out the changes or additional groups which are present on heterocyclic rings and try to remember that changes. So you will be able to draw the structure of drug. So we have seen, taken example of proflavin which contain acridine. So similarly, during each class I am going to explain how to remember that particular structures depending upon these tips and tricks, along with some other tricks I have given for to remember the chemical structures of each of drug during our next video or next class. So dear students, happy learning and wish you all the best. Keep watching my YouTube channel to get all update video lectures on pharmaceutical chemistry. Thank you very much.